to show you how to make this balloon daisy. You can use it to enhance your balloon arrangements. It's very easy to make. You need 5 5-inch balloons and 1 11-inch balloon. And I'm going to use my legenda to inflate them. And you want to keep them similar shape and size. And just tie them together. Just like that. I'm going to add a third one to this pair. Now I'm going to twist all the balloons together. Like so. And now we inflate the 11-inch balloon. Just like so. Make a knot near the tip of the balloon. And twist this balloon. I want this part in the front of my flower and this part in the back. Now we'll twist them together. And that's it. You can use this for your marquee arrangements like the one I have in the back.